Hi, I hope you're staying safe and healthy. So I came up with this video as we've been asked several times why we come to your property to assess it before providing a quote versus doing it virtually. The reason why we do that is because we want to make sure we have the information, the right information, and also in the past what we were doing was we quoted based on the information that were provided by our potential clients, and whenever we got that, it was a different thing altogether. So this is what we do. We come to your property, we assess it, we focus on the area that you want clean, and then make sure that we have all the details, all that information, and then based on that, we provide you with a quote. This eliminates we coming up with lower quotes or even higher quotes. I hope this works. Thank you so much.